Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we have had a nightmare. I've driven from the bottom of Malta to the top of Malta to a place called Taali, where we actually have a speed run area, and it seemed like everybody in Malta was there today. And their dogs. So we couldn't record there, so we've come all the way down to Smart City. You'll recognize this area from previous videos, and of course people arriving with their dogs and everything as well. So we're just going to have to see how we get on. Our plan today was to record 7 videos, one of them being the speed run with the big EX07, but that's just not going to happen now. So we'll have to get on with the LC Racing EMB SC short course car and the original 2S battery, and we're going to see how fast it goes because I never did get round to doing a speed run. So let's see how fast it goes. This is now the acceleration test, EMB SC. Right, as you can see, we're going to go on to drag and we're going to set the speed from 0 to 40 kilometers an hour. Start 0 to 40. Let's go. What do you reckon? 1.15. Drag, start, let's go. Oops, that didn't work. Right. This is number 2, because the old number 2 I messed up. That seemed faster. Really? Okay, read. 1.17! I forgot to take the screenshot. Ah, man! Well, it definitely was 1.15 on the first one. Let's go for the third and final run. Start! Start! There we go. Read 1.14. That's not bad at all, is it? Right, now we're going to go for top speed. So now we'll just drive it around. Track, start, let's go! What do you reckon? Stop. Read. 55? I'd said it was more than that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Start again. I'll leave it there then, shall I? Stop. Read. 55. That's not very good. One more try. Shall we see? Stop. Read. Oh. Okay, let's come to a conclusion. So, ladies and gents, 55 kilometers an hour. I don't think that's very fast. It's a brushless system. I expected it to be going a lot faster than that. But is it supposed to be really going that fast? I don't know. I'll let you decide. If you wish to buy it and it goes 55, maybe you're very happy with that. I think the best thing to do is also the next video, we'll grab a 3S battery and see if we can get it going any faster. Or whether we'll just blow up the ESC. That's more than likely. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time. Stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.